How to change your payment method in Tradingview. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change your payment method in Tradingview. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is you'll need to head over to tradingview.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. So after you've done that, what you'll need to do is you will need to head over to your profile, and it's right here, the profile icon, and tap on it. Now you'll get this drop down option where you will need to head over to account and billing. So tap on account and billing, and there we go. So as you can see right here, we're on this settings and we are under account and billing. After doing that, if you scroll down, you should see your subscriber classification and your current plan, and also the real-time market data. So right here, what you'll have is your payment method that you have already set up. So you will need to just delete that. And after you delete that, you will need to add a new payment method. You should see a pen icon right around here where you have your payment method, and simply tap on that and tap on edit, and then you should be able to add a new payment method. And by doing that, it's that simple. You have just added a new payment method in Tradingview. And that is all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.